यशोमती मैया से बोले नंदलाला, राधा क्यों गोरी मैं क्यों काला. Okay, what is the occasion? Yes, Krishna Janmashtami you would have celebrated just one day ahead after I'm putting this video. You would have celebrated it and enjoyed. You would have taken a lot of sweets, had fun. Namaste. Welcome to shylaji.com. I'm Shaila Vasunath and let us get into the main video today. The first thing is our quiz. I had asked you a question last time. When do we celebrate Hindi Divas? Hindi Divas कब मनाते हैं? When do we celebrate Hindi Day? It is on September 14th. Another friend, a viewer, he had given International Hindi Day, but actually I was asking what we celebrate here in India. But anyway, thanks for that. Yes, we can do that also, so that people all over the world watch these channels and they watch the videos. So it would be nice if we tell them about the Hindi Divas celebrated all over the world, because that much of importance is given to this Hindi language everywhere. So actually it is on September 14th. So we will have a special video on that also later. So that is it for the quiz. Now let us go into the main video. Now we would start the main video with the first letter J. Okay, J. That is, for example, in English we have jug, judge. So that way, the word which we pronounce the same way. Let us go with the first word and with a sweet word, as it is Janmashtami, though we don't keep this for Janmashtami, but still a sweet. Jalebi. So jalebi is a sweet. You all would have tasted it. So if you see the image, you will know exactly what it is. The next one, jabda. Jabda. Jabda means jaw. Jaw is called jabda. An animal or a human being, whoever it is. The jaw is called jabda. The next one, jud. Jud means root. Okay, root of a tree. You can say base, foundation. So many ways we take this word for jud. We use this root or foundation or base in many ways, but actually it means the tree root. Okay. The next one, jar. Okay, jar. J-A-A. Like how in English we say jar. Okay, the jar which you keep lot of things. No, you store things. Jar. Now the first word here is jang. Okay, jang means thigh. T-H-I-G-H. Thigh. Okay, one of your body part, thigh. Jang. The next one, jaifal. Okay, jaifal is nothing but nutmeg. Okay, nutmeg is called jaifal. The next one, jali. Okay, jali, we also say net or sometimes web. It is called jali. Net is called jali. The next one, G. Okay, G. Like how you say Jack and Jill. Okay, Jack and Jill. I just gave a word, Jill. Jack and Jill. Same way, short, G. Now here I have given a word, Jila. Okay, this word is actually a word from Urdu. It is actually Zila. Okay, Z. Like how you say Zameen. Okay, that way it is Zila. It should have a dot below. But in Hindi when we use it as Jila. Okay, Jila means district. So I'm giving you both things. When the actual word it is Zila with a dot below, but as I'm using it in Hindi and we generally use it as Jila. Jila we say, but it is Zila. It means district. The next one, Jigyasa. Jigya. This is gya, jigyasa means curiosity, to know something. You're so curious to know something. So that is jigyasa. The next one, G. Okay, G, lengthy one. J-E-E, like how you say Jeep. Okay, Jeep. Like that, jeera. Jeera means cumin. Okay, cumin, jeera. Cumin seeds which we use in masala. Yes, jeera. The next one is jeeb. Jeeb means tongue. Tongue is jeeb. The next, jeet. Jeet, victory. Yes, we have won. Jeet is victory. The next one, ju. Okay, ju, short. Now, yeah, I've given little tough words in English. Judicial, judiciary, like that. But one word, this one, I don't know how many of you know this. Jujubes. When I was a kid, I used to love these. It will be like a jelly, marshmallow, like that. Jujubes, jelly, a small sugary jelly which will have, on top sugar will be there. I hope people at my age would have enjoyed it. I don't know whether I think it's available in some of the departmental stores, jujubes. Yeah, it's nice. Here I've given a word, jugnu. Okay, jugnu, firefly. Jugnu is firefly. When you see it, sometimes you say night fly also, because when it is pitch dark, at that time you can see here and there light flashing. Actually, they are fireflies which sparkle here and there in the grass in the night. So that is called jugnu. The next one, Jukam. Now again, this word also I would like to emphasize, it's actually Zukam. It is again a Urdu word. In Hindi we say Sardi, cold, but here in Urdu it is Zukam. But when we use in Hindi, we say it as Jukam, just like Jila, Jukam. Okay, otherwise it should have a dot and pronounced as Zukam. Zukam means cold. When you get cold, running nose cold, that is called Jukam. The next one, Judwa. Judwa. Judwa means pair. P-A-I-R. Okay, pair, that is Judwa. A couple or a pair. So that is called Judwa. The next one, Ju. Okay, Ju. A lengthy one. Ju, like June. You say June. You don't say June. You say June. You say Jute. Okay, Jute. Now see here, I've given the word Juda. Juda means top knot. You plait your hair and put on the top knot hairstyle. So that is called Juda. Okay, top knot. The next one, Juta. Juta, shoes. Chappal shoes are called Juta shoes. Our next letter is Jri. Okay, Jri. But we don't have any words for it. So I've not given anything. But the pronunciation is Jri. Okay, J-R-I, Jri. Let us go to the next one. It is J. Okay, J. J-E, J. In English, when we use these words, the pronunciation is like jade. Jade. Jade, the precious stone, jade. The next word I've given, Jacob. Jacob. Okay, so you should know how you have to pronounce it with this help. Now, the first word I've given here is Javar. Actually, again, I would like to tell you, it is a Urdu word, Zevar. Javar, jewelry is Javar, but the actual word is Urdu word Zevar. Here I've given in Hindi, Javar, jewelry. The next one, Jab. Jab is pocket. Pocket, Jab. Next, jail. Jail means J-A-I-L. In English also we say jail. Jail, prison, that is jail. The next one, Ja. Okay, Ja. I've given here Jack, Jack, Jasmine. You don't say Jasmine, you don't say Jasmine, you say Jasmine. So Jack, Ja, A, and Jasmine. Now coming to the Hindi word, it is Jaitun. Again, this is a Urdu word which has got a dot below. It is za, but I have given you here in Hindi. Actually, Jaitun is nothing but olive. Okay, olives, right? So which you have it on the pizzas, that is olive. So that in Urdu actually it is called Zaitun. In Hindi it is Jaitun. Now the next one, Jaitra. Okay, Jaitra. Jaitra means Jeet, the word you have already we have done the word jeet means victory. From that word, this is Jaitra, victorious, that which leads to victory. So that is Jaitra. So that is also being victorious. The next one, Jaisalmer. Okay, Jaisalmer, many of you would have seen. If you would have gone to Rajasthan, you would have seen this place. It's called Jaisalmer. It's full of forts, किले. बहुत किले होते हैं वहाँ पे. So it is Jaisalmer, a very good place to see. The next one, Joe. Okay, Joe. I have given here an English word, Joseph. Joseph I have given. Now in Hindi it is Jonk. Okay, Jonk. Jonk is leech. Okay, leech. Jonk. The next one, Joda. Previously when I did Umatra, I did Judwa. Okay, another pair. One particular thing, a pair of that is Judwa, or the twins we said. Here Joda again mean the same. Same thing, two is called Judwa. Here also same, Joda. Joda is a couple, a pair, or twins. The next one, Joker. Joker, in English what we say Joker, the same thing, it is Joker. The next one, Jaw. Okay, Jaw. I have given here the word job. Job. Jaw. Okay, jaw. I have given two words here, so accordingly you can pronounce it. The first one what I have given here is Johari. Again, it's a Urdu word. You might be thinking why I have given so many Urdu words and I am telling it in Hindi. Lot of words we have, Urdu words which we commonly use in Hindi, and we changed it to ja. We don't use much of that dot there, but actually it should be used. So I'm giving here again Johari. Actually it is Zohri. So Johri is nothing but jeweler, the person who makes jewels. Okay, jewels. He is called Johri. The next one, Jaw. Jaw is nothing but barley. Okay, barley is Barley. Okay, barley is called jaw. Okay, next one, jung. Okay, jung. That is, I've given here jungle. Same way here, janjeer. Sorry, again this word is Urdu word. It is zanjeer. Actually Z only, it comes in English also. It is zanjeer. Here also you have a dot. Here also, both these letters, both the ja have got dot below. The nukta, we say that as nukta, so it has a dot, but in Hindi we have changed it to janjeer, but otherwise it is zanjeer, the exact pronunciation. So I am giving you janjeer. It is nothing but chains. Okay, the next one, jung. Okay, this is Hindi word. Okay, jung, it means rust. Okay, rust is called jung. The last one, jaha. Jaha. No words as I said for this. It is jaha. So we don't have any words for that. So I've just given the pronunciation you need to know. It is jaha. That is, now you know the letters. They are ja, ja, ji, ji, ju, ju, jri, j, ja, jo, jaw, jung, jaha. Okay, so I think you have understood it very clearly, and let us go to the quiz now. I'm not going to write on the board anything, but being Janmashtami, Krishna Janmashtami, we need to know something about something I have to give you related to Krishna. So one word I've given, the word Krishna. So Krishna. Krishna is one name. Can you give me another 5 names of Krishna? Yes, I want another 5 names of Krishna, or at least 4 if you could do it. It's very easy. So just think of Krishna and the 5 names of Krishna. Please mention it in the comment box. Yes. We have come to the end of this video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon so that you get my latest notification. Namaste.